Hi, and welcome to Penguins Wanderlust. Today is Sunday, September 9th, 2018, and I've been back from Burning Man for 2 days. Yesterday was my first full day, so I'm still doing laundry and trying to sort stuff out. And anyway, it's rainy season in Vancouver Island, British Columbia now. And this is a good thing because we're still at extreme fire hazard levels. And so the more rain we have, the fewer fires we'll have, which will be good. So I've decided to come take my little guy for a walk at Gyro Park. Cadboro Bay. I always get those two mixed up. Everybody here does. Cadboro Bay, Gyro Park. And the kids seem to be having some sort of fun day because they've got all kinds of blow-up castles there, but it's not the best day, but it's warm. I've seen colder days at the beach. Anyway, this is a nice beach too. Until the end of the month, we're not really supposed to be on this part of the beach, but don't tell anybody. There's nobody else on the beach. Should be back to the little dogs. And there's the other side. We're supposed to be past the breakwater, but I'm just gonna risk it. I'm gonna walk the beach because I don't care, and hopefully nobody will give me a fine for having my little guy. Where are you? Little guy? Little guy. There's my little guy. He needs a haircut. He can't see out. But he had a bath yesterday. So he's still scruffy, but at least he's clean. Yay! Well, here's a little raft that looks like the ones that are in Don't Starve Shipwrecked and that start to break apart when the health of the raft goes. Yeah, don't know how far that would take you. And if this was Texas, they would call this boat art, similar to Cadillac Ranch, which has got a bunch of 10 Cadillacs in the standing vertically covered in layers and layers of graffiti. But no, this is just somebody's unfortunate wreck, which hasn't been removed from the beach for whatever reason, probably the cost. However, at least it gives the taggers somewhere to do their thing, which isn't too bad. Well, I think that's about as far as I'm going in this direction. Oh, it looks like a blue heron sitting out there. Maybe on that post next to the orange ball. Hard to say unless it moves. A very calm day. I think it's stopped raining. Kind of nice to have a quiet beach day after being on the road in the deserts for a couple of weeks. Yeah, very nice. And there's no smoke here, which there was when I left 2 weeks ago, so things are good. And there's some sailboats way over there. Rover. Hey, little guy. Little guy. Rover. Hey. You have a face in there, Rover? Maybe, maybe not. Now here we are at the dog-friendly section of the beach, which is actually pretty good for wading, but perhaps a different day. A little friend. There's a tree changing color, going yellow over there. Fall is coming, which is good. Done with summer. I don't know where everybody is. It's a nice afternoon for a walk on the beach. Well, perfect day for paddle boarding. There's a couple people out there. It's quiet on the surface. You could run, or you could play with the puppy. Like, honestly, you could. Well, thanks for hanging out for our little beach walk. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday too. Bye!